Hello and welcome to another Matchbox unboxing, and in today's video I've managed to find a super chase. I will be opening that at the end of the video, but for now let me get some Matchbox to open. Just wait a bit. That's a hot toast, that's tomorrow's video. And the first one, Porsche 911 Targa 4. Let's open it. And here it is. Really cool looking Porsche. Now there's more Porsches, but I have to first get to them. But the next one, Fiat 500 Turbo. Let's open it. And here it is. Why on my camera to flip? Oh, there it is. Pretty nice looking model. I do have a black one somewhere around here. Also Matchbox. And the next one, 1964 Lincoln Continental. Let's open it. And here it is. Now let's spice it up with a 2023 model. 2016 Ford Interceptor Utility. Let's open it. And here it is. Now there's one thing I noticed about Matchbox. They're very hard to open. And the next one, 1948 British Jeep. Let's open. And here it is. Now the next one, 1977 Jaguar XJ60. Let's open it. And here it is. Pretty nice looking model. That's already an open one. So these two are stuck together. The Audi and the Rivian. Next one, Audi e-tron. Let's open it. And here it is. Pretty interesting model. I like every single one of these. Because unlike Hot Wheels, these, most of them, you could actually see on a public road, depending on where you live. And the next one, Porsche 918 Spider. Let's open it. And here it is. The next one, Tesla Model S. Let's open it. And here it is. Now, I recently saw a YouTuber who has this exact same car. So it's not impossible to not have this in the on. And we have 3 more Matchbox before the main one. The 2012 BMW 3 Series Touring Edition. The next one is a Mercedes AMG SL63. Let's open it. And here it is. Now the next one is a Rivian R1T. Let's open it. And here it is. Now the last one before the inevitable, the BMW, is a Chevy C10. Let's open. And here it is. Now, the grand finale, the Matchbox Super Chase BMW. Let's open it. And here it is. I probably shattered someone's heart by doing this, but it got rubber wheels. And that's it for this video, and stay tuned for a Hot Wheels unboxing. Bye bye!